Before buying a lens for your Sony A7 II, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about it. The choice can make or break your photography experience. Product number 1, Sony FE50 f1.8 lens. Let's kick things off with the Sony FE50 f1.8 standard lens. Priced at $198, this lens caught my attention because of its amazing bokeh and compact design. If you want stunning portraits with beautiful background blur, this is worth a serious look. The f1.8 maximum aperture is key here. The 7-blade circular aperture also enhances the bokeh quality, giving you that professional aesthetic. Plus, it's lightweight and perfect for full-frame E-mount cameras like your A7 II. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Now, I should mention that some users have complained about its autofocus speed being a bit slow in low-light situations. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly shooting in well-lit environments or you're not in a rush, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This lens is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to enhance your portrait photography. Skip this one if you need a lens that performs flawlessly in every lighting condition. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the autofocus issue bothered you, the next lens takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JJC E-mount body and rear lens cap kit. Next up, we have the JJC E-mount body cap and rear lens cap cover kit. At just $5.99, this is more of a practical choice but incredibly essential. If you want to keep your gear safe and dust-free, this is definitely worth a look. The body cap protects your camera's sensor from dust and damage when you're switching lenses, and the rear cap keeps the glass element safe from scratches and fingerprints. It's lightweight at only 1.06 ounces and fits perfectly on all Sony E-mount cameras, including the A7 II. People love this kit, giving it a 4.8-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, which speaks volumes about its necessity and value. However, some users mention that it feels a bit cheap and could be easily lost. But honestly, for the price, it does the job it's meant to do. You're not buying this for luxury, you need it for protection. This is perfect for you if you frequently switch out lenses and want to keep your camera safe. Skip this one if you're not concerned about protecting your gear. For under $6, it's a no-brainer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need versatility. Product number 3, Sony A7 II 10 f4.563 lens. Coming in at $328, the Sony A7 II 10 f4.563 lens is a fantastic choice for those who want to capture distant subjects. This caught my attention for its impressive zoom range, making it great for sports or wildlife photography. If you want to get closer to your subject without getting physically closer, this is worth considering. With a focal length that stretches from 82 to 315, in 35 terms, you can capture those action shots from a distance. It also features optical steady shot image stabilization, which is so helpful for reducing camera shake, especially in low-light conditions. The quiet internal focusing makes it a great option for video capture as well. Reviewers have given it a solid 4.6-star rating with over 1,100 reviews, showing it's a reliable choice. On the downside, some users found it lacking in low-light performance, especially at the longer end. But let's be real, you might not be shooting in the dark with a telephoto lens anyway. This is perfect for you if you're into sports, wildlife, or capturing events from afar. Skip this one if you primarily shoot portraits or landscapes. For its versatility, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more creative control, let's talk about the next lens. Product number 4, Tamron 1770 f2.8 di VC RXD lens. The Tamron 1770 f2.8 di VC RXD lens is an impressive option priced at around $799. This caught my eye because it's the world's first high-speed standard zoom lens for APS-C cameras. If you want a lens that can do it all without losing quality, this is definitely worth a serious look. With a constant f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range, you can achieve great depth of field and low-light performance. The The close focusing capability is impressive, allowing you to get as close as 7.5 inches at 17, which is fantastic for those detail shots. Plus, it has a moisture-resistant construction that keeps it safe in varying weather conditions. It holds a great rating of 4.8 stars with 1,600 reviews, highlighting its quality. However, be aware that some users found it a bit heavy for longer shoots. But honestly, the performance you're getting is worth that extra weight, especially if you're serious about your photography. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, versatile lens that can handle a variety of shooting situations. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight gear for casual shooting. It's a bit pricier, but you get what you pay for in quality. Now, if that price seemed steep, the next lens might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5. Tamron 28-200 f2.856 dii RXD lens. Finally, we have the Tamron 28-200 f2.856 dii RXD all-in-one lens, priced at $799. This lens is great for those looking for an all-in-one solution. If you want a lens that covers a wide range of focal lengths without sacrificing image quality, this is definitely worth a look. The fast f2.856 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance, and it's lightweight at just 20.3 ounces, making it easy to carry around. With a close focusing capability of just 7.5 inches at 28, you can capture those intimate detail shots as well. The RXD stepping motor unit ensures quiet operation, which is important for video shooting. However, some users have mentioned the zoom range can feel a bit limited compared to dedicated lenses. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for convenience and versatility, this lens more than delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, versatile lens that can handle various scenarios. Skip this one if you're dedicated to one specific type of photography that requires specialized lenses. For the features you get, it's worth the investment. To wrap it up, we've covered a solid range of lenses for your Sony A7 II. From the lightweight yet powerful Sony FE50 to the versatile Tamron 28-200, there's something for everyone. Whether you need a close-up, a wide shot, or a telephoto perspective, each lens brings unique strengths to the table. Choose based on your photography needs and you can't go wrong.